Inside ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, there is a thing called an LLM. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what that means in plain English. No hype, no jargon. LLM stands for Large Language Model. Big words for a simple idea. Autocomplete on your phone, scaled up 1 billion times until it can write essays. Here is what it actually does. You type a prompt, the model reads it, then it predicts the most likely next token, adds it, predicts the next one, adds it. Loops thousands of times. Out comes an answer that feels like a conversation. That is it. Predict next token, 1 token at a time. 3 pillars to understand. Pillar 1. It learned by reading the internet. The L in LLM is for large. A modern LLM was trained on hundreds of billions of words, most of Wikipedia. Most of Reddit, most public books, most public code, most news articles. It did not memorize them. It learned the statistical patterns of how language flows, which words follow which words, which ideas connect to which ideas. That is its entire knowledge base. Pillar 2. It predicts 1 token at a time. A token is a chunk of text, roughly 3/4 of a word. The model does not write whole sentences at once. It writes 1 token, then asks itself, given everything before, what is the most likely next token? Then it picks, then it loops. The illusion of intelligent thought comes from doing this billions of times per second on a massive model. Pillar 3. Bigger is better to a point. The B in modern model names, like the 70B in Llama 70B, that is the number of parameters. Parameters are tunable dials inside the model. More dials means more capacity to store patterns. GPT-3 had 175 billion parameters. GPT-4 reportedly has over 1 trillion. More parameters means more nuance, more languages, more domains, until eventually returns diminish. So why is it called large? Because it is. Tens of gigabytes to download, billions of dollars to train, thousands of GPUs running for months. This scale is what unlocked human quality writing. Smaller models existed for decades. They just could not hold enough patterns. So when should you use an LLM? Use it for anything: language, writing drafts, summarizing long documents, translating, explaining code, brainstorming, customer service, anywhere you need natural language in and natural language out. When should you not use it? 2 big traps. 1, when you need fresh facts. LLMs were trained at some past date. They do not know what happened yesterday unless they have web access. 2, when you need exact accuracy. They hallucinate. They predict what sounds right, not what is right. For numbers, dates, names, legal text, verify with a real source. Real-world LLMs you already use. ChatGPT runs OpenAI models. Claude runs Anthropic models. Gemini runs Google models. Copilot wraps GPT. Perplexity stitches multiple LLMs together. Even your Google search bar now uses one for AI overviews. Same core engine, different products. Recap. 1. LLM means large language model. 2. It is trained on huge piles of text. 3. It predicts the next token, 1 token at a time. 4. Bigger usually means smarter with diminishing returns. That is what an LLM is, the engine inside every modern AI chatbot. If this clicked, follow Terminode AI. Next up, what is a token? The basic unit that LLMs read and that you pay for. Plain English, every video. See you there.